Hello everyone, welcome back to Strive Grid. Today we are looking at how to group items together. In Canva it is very easy, and the best part is you can group images, text and elements all together. It is not like you have to have text together and images together. You can group both of them together. So in here, for selecting or for grouping, you need to select by dragging your mouse completely like this. So all the items are selected, but this time we are going to select the image as well, and you can see the image will be highlighted and there is a white border which suggests that the items are ready to be grouped. And now you can click on group, which automatically populates as a menu. Now I'll click on group, and if you see, I can move all the items together. I can resize them together as well. And now if for some reason you need to ungroup, you can click on ungroup. But what if you have to add one more text box or one more thing to this very group? It's very easy again, just select all of them together and then again group. But mind well, if you want to ungroup this now, just click on in here and click on ungroup, and this way every single item is ungrouped. That's it guys. Thank you for watching.